Okay, for the exam, I want you to also be able to answer questions about Excel in terms of plotting a function. Okay, so in this particular function, we have an independent variable x, okay, shown in column C, and then we have two dependent variables, and we want two plots to show up. Okay, so we're plotting this function called sinc of 3x and also sinc of 6x. Okay, so I've got this all set up. I have the independent variable already determined. I have the functions already defined. By the way, notice I needed a pi in this function, so pi is a function in Excel. Pi, open parentheses, close pi, gives you the constant pi. Right, so I want you to know that as well, so that's why I mentioned it. All right, so from here, I want to plot the data. All right, so hopefully you remember from lab that you insert a chart. Okay, and what's important is to get the chart type right. Okay, so there's several choices. All right, what we want is a scatter plot. And in this particular case, these plots are going to look better with smooth lines. So I'm going to choose that. Okay, and notice it guessed at the data, and it's pretty far wrong. So let's get in there and fix that up. Okay, so you can right-click, select data. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of these plots that we have and just start over, so I know that I get what I want. Okay, so the first series, that's actually going to, select data. First series, we could relabel that, but that's beside the point. All right, so we need to choose the independent variable, so the x values. So I go over here, I click on that, and that lets me select the data I need for my plot. Okay, then you hit return. Next, I need the y variable, so I click into this, and the first thing I want to plot is sine of 3x. So select that data, hit return. Okay, and that's one of my time series plots. All right, let's add the second one. You hit the plus button here, and you can add the second time series. Again, we choose the x value for the second series. Return. And we hit the y value for the second series, which is the sine of 6x. Hit return. And I've got both series defined, and I then have my plot. Okay, I could fix this up to be, look prettier and have the labels fixed up, but I just wanted you to know the basics. I know we did that in lab, but it's exam time. It's good to review that so you know it for the exam.